Hey all you green thumbs, welcome to another Celtic Farm video in our new Permaculture series. I'm Master Gardener Steve, and today we're diving into one of the most essential parts of a sustainable garden, soil health. Healthy soil is the backbone of any successful garden, and it's absolutely crucial in permaculture, where we aim to work with nature rather than against it. In this video, we're going to explore 3 powerful ways to improve your soil health: no-till gardening, composting, and cover crops. Whether you're just getting started with permaculture or want to boost your garden's productivity naturally, these methods will help you build rich, fertile soil that supports long-term plant health and minimizes the need for chemicals. Let's get started. First up is no-till gardening. If you're used to conventional gardening, you might think tilling is the best way to prepare the soil, but tilling actually breaks up the natural soil structure and harms the beneficial organisms living there. When you till the soil, you disrupt the delicate ecosystem that includes earthworms, fungi, and microbes, things that are critical for healthy plants. You also expose the soil to erosion, meaning nutrients get washed away or lost to the air. In a no-till garden, you protect the soil by adding layers of organic matter, like mulch, leaves, and straw, and compost, right on top. These layers act as a natural barrier, keeping the soil cool, moist, and full of life. The organic material slowly breaks down, feeding the soil and allowing plants to access the nutrients they need. It's less work for you and a healthier environment for your plants. So if you want better results with less effort, no-till gardening is definitely the way to go. Next, let's talk about composting. One of the easiest and most effective ways to recycle organic waste into nutrient-rich food for your soil. Composting is all about turning everyday organic materials like vegetable scraps, yard waste, leaves, and even manure into rich, dark compost that you can add back into your garden beds. There are a couple of key things to remember when composting. You want good balance of green materials, which are rich in nitrogen, like kitchen scraps and grass clippings, and brown materials like leaves, straw, or cardboard, which provide carbon. Once you've built your compost pile, keep it moist like a damp sponge and turn it occasionally to allow air to flow through. Over time, microbes will break down the organic material, and you'll end up with beautiful, dark compost like this. This compost is full of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that your plants need to grow strong. It also improves soil structure so your soil holds onto moisture while allowing for good drainage. By composting, you're not only reducing waste, but also creating a sustainable loop where your garden constantly feeds itself. Finally, we have cover crops. These are plants that you grow specifically to improve soil health between your main growing seasons. Cover crops are great for a few reasons. They prevent soil erosion, suppress weeds, and when they decompose, they add organic matter back to the soil, just like compost does. Some cover crops, like clover, are also nitrogen fixers. This means they take nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form your plants can use. So not only do they improve your soil structure, but they'd also give it a nutrient boost. Once you're ready to plant your main crops, just cut down the cover crop and leave it on the soil as a green mulch. This protects the soil and provides nutrients to the next set of plants that you plant. With cover crops, you're creating a cycle of soil improvement that keeps your garden healthy year-round. By using no-till gardening, composting, and cover crops, you're giving your soil the care it needs to support a healthy, productive garden. These methods work together to build rich, fertile soil, reduce erosion, and help your plants thrive naturally. And this is just the beginning of our permaculture journey. In the next video, we'll explore water management and how to capture and store rainwater even in dry climates. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.